Can you put a filter on that? Make me look good?
Put me some hair on.
Slick. I'm all gray.
I'm greasy
You
this
both are
morning.
hot.
I've been up since 4 a.m. man. Same outfit. I did a radio show. 4 a.m. Central.
Oh, brutal.
It's all right.
Okay.
We have two amazing doctors.
Here we go.
All right. Get
Dr.
it.
Nepute in the house. Let me have it. There we go.
That was great.
Over
Oh,
there, huh?
I like it.
Same. Let the weight of your head fall.
Oh,
Wow.
thanks, brother. Whew.
Woo-hoo.
Boom.
That was golden.
nice.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Middle linebacker back. That's why I got into chiropractic. I need a good chiropractor.
Linebacker?
Yeah, I played middle linebacker at Illinois State.
There you go. Yeah, I was always on the line.
Were you?
I was a tight end for a little while, but mostly guard, tackle for high school.
Right on.
All right.
Woo.
Yeah.
I hear him.
There you go.
Oh,
Those are good.
Yeah,
Let's get your
man.
hips here. All the way off. Let it go.
Oh,
Nice.
Those were good. How's your knee doing anyway? Is it
You know, we played soccer on Sunday, so I can barely move it today.
still?
Do you have that compression gun thing? You totally use
There you
it.
go. Brother.